In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView volume profile tools. If you're new to volume profile, think of it as a way to visualize how much trading activity happened at each price level, not just over time. It helps you see where price was most accepted, potential support and resistance zones, and areas where price moved quickly. With that in mind, let's get it onto your chart. Start by looking at your chart's left-hand toolbar. This is the vertical bar with all your drawing and analysis tools. You're looking for the group that contains the volume-based profile tools. On most layouts, this group sits around the fifth icon from the top. Hover over that icon and click the small caret or arrow on it to expand the submenu. This opens a mini drawer of related tools, so you can pick the specific volume profile you want. If your toolbar looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts and themes can shift icon positions slightly, but the caret expansion works the same way. Once expanded, you'll see a selection of volume-based profile tools you can add to your chart. Common choices include a visible range profile, which maps volume across whatever is currently on your screen, a fixed range profile, which lets you analyze volume between 2 points you define, and a session-based profile, which groups volume by trading sessions. You don't need to memorize the names right now. Just choose the one that matches how you want to analyze your price action. Click the tool you want, then move your cursor onto the chart. Depending on the type you selected, you'll either click once where you want the profile to apply, or you may be prompted to define an area by clicking at a starting point and then confirming the range. Keep your clicks on the price area of the chart, not the scales, for the cleanest placement. As soon as you confirm, the volume profile will appear alongside your candles, showing the familiar horizontal histogram of volume at price. That's really all there is to it. Open the volume-based profile tools from the left toolbar, pick the one you want, and click on the chart to apply it. As you get comfortable, you can experiment with different profile types to match your strategy, whether you prefer viewing the whole visible move, a specific range, or session-by-session structure. And remember, volume profile is a context tool. Combine it with your existing price action or indicators for more informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring volume profile on your TradingView charts.